In this video I'm going to talk about a string class replace method, right? So let me take a main method here. So this string class contains various methods, right? And replace method is one of the method, right, using which we can replace any string of characters, right? So let me take some sample string. I'll say string str is equal to, let's say, 31 dash 12 dash 24, right? This is the initial string. And what is our requirement, right? So our requirement is to replace, right, our requirement is to replace dash with colon here, right? So this is our requirement. So how do we achieve this, right? So for this we have to use the string class replace method, right? So let us try to apply the replace method here. So string dot replace, and you can see it take two argument here. So first one is old character, and the second argument it takes is new character. So old character is dash here, and new character I want to replace with colon, right? So let me use this. So old character is dash and the new character is colon here, right? And then let me just initialize again with str, right? And let me just print out to see the final output, right? Let me format this and I'll run this to check whether I'm getting the desired output or not. Alright, so we are getting the required output, right? So sometimes what happens is like we normally get the string in this format, right? Normally whenever we are dealing with some dates, right, dates selection from the calendar, normally we get this kind of format, right? So we have to convert in this kind of format like colon, or we can also replace with slash, right? So let me replace this. So this is our desired output, right? So we need such kind of conversion, right? So at that point of time we normally use this replace method, right, to make the required conversion, right? So this is how we are going to use the replace method, right?